What's going on, guys? Welcome back to another live cop video. Today we're going for the Yeezy 700 Arzareths, and we're also going for the Yeezy Quantum, so stick around for that. Up first, we're going for the Arzareths on Undefeated at 5 a.m. As you can see, I'm running Dashe on a server. The drop's about to happen in about 15 seconds, so I lower my delays to 2500. For this release, I'm running all residential proxies from Wrath Proxies. I find that these proxies have the fastest speed out of anybody else that I've tried for Shopify. As you can see, everything goes through pretty quickly, but I think it took me way too long to solve that second CAPTCHA for any of these tasks. As you can see, they're all just stuck in queue. Next time, what I'm going to do is just run 3 tasks. That way I'll be able to solve that second CAPTCHA a lot faster than I did here. Alright, up next we're going for Yeezy Supply. As you can see, I'm running Dashe on a server with close to 300 tasks, and I'm also running Splashforce on my home PC with almost 500 tasks. For my proxies, I'm running all residentials from Slash, Wrath, and Omni. About 60 minutes into the drop, Dashe finally gets past Splash, and I'm able to pick up a 9.5. Now on Splashforce, I didn't really have any luck. I think I needed to filter out my proxies a little better, which I end up doing on the next drop. So you can see Dashe, I get a couple more tasks that pass Splash, but I'm unable to check out. I think at this point it might have been out of stock. Alright, up next we have Kith and Concepts. So again, here I am running way too many tasks for a Shopify drop, but let's see how this goes. So as you can see, I get hit with way too many CAPTCHAs, and I can't solve them fast enough to beat people that are running 1 or 2 tasks. Now let's move on to the Yeezy Quantum release. For this release, I'm running Dashe on a server with about 300 tasks, and I'm also running Splashforce on my home PC with close to 600. I think during the release I even bump it up to over 700 tasks. For proxies, I'm still using residentials from Wrath, Omni, and Slash, but this time I filtered out all the dead and banned proxies, and I think that worked out a lot better for me. So here I was able to get 3 pairs with Splashforce in just a matter of a couple of minutes. I think at this point they might have been out of stock, that's why I've been getting a ton of declines here. Alright guys, so if you did enjoy the video, be sure to give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already. Alright guys, peace.